Hey, what's up guys? This is gonna be my first video. Just want to show you guys tie registration system for line printing. This is a DIY. Pretty much everything here is from Home Depot. Roughly around, I would say around $350. There's 10 stations. Just walk you through it. These boards were made from scrap wood. Put some pallet tape on it and good to go. We have the nail over here that locks in the screen, and the other nail over here that locks in the other screen. These steel beams over here are straight from Home Depot. Don't remember how much it cost, but one of them, a 10-footer, was probably around $20. So if you could cut one in half, you'll be good for the whole 2-station. These boards over here, I haven't used them yet. They're probably better. More, I guess it's more cleaner, easier to register jobs. These are from Nevertheless Screen Printing. They sell a pack of 4 for about $80. So I would suggest buying these instead of making your own from scrap wood. Probably save you a lot of time. Walking through, I see washers in place to keep the beams in place. So shaking it doesn't shake the artwork when you're printing. Just go around. Let's show you how this works. So these T-bars are also from Home Depot. As you can see, locks in in the front. So put it in, and like this. This doesn't move anywhere. You could do about unlimited number of colors as long as you register the job right for this. If you're worried about off contact, if you're printing Plastisol, get some good old quarters. Post it up in the back of the screen like this. Make sure you're hitting the fabric or whatever you're printing, so you have 1/8 of a off contact every single time. Other than that, make sure your pallets are registered properly. The most important would probably be from here to here. You see this gap? This gap was all leveled to be the same across the board. It may seem a little different over there, but since this was DIY, I had to make sure that the front lined up, not really the back. You may have some trouble with some hoodies, but I'm sure you can work around it. Other than that, I used to have a board over here so I could place a lot of stuff, a lot of my inks. That's the board right there. Inks, transparencies, fabric glue, whatever you needed. These bowls are from Home Depot. These would be I don't know if you could see it, the B&H. These washers, the HACs. Sorry, I just have my phone, so I can't really show you the whole thing. It's a B&H, HAC. These are the Super Strut. So just go to your local Home Depot, ask them for this exact model, and you should be good. You should have tools that could cut steel, pretty much. Screwdriver, a drill. Pretty much you gotta drill these holes before you put in the screws. These holes. These screws are not too sure how big they are, but should be enough to hold down the strut. That's pretty much it. I'll have this right here. This is pretty much what was needed to make this. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope this doesn't give you motion sickness. I'll do better next time. Thank you.